Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.6 question number 5. Complete complete the addition subtraction box. Here to understand what you have to do. Here in the horizontal direction the sign is given plus. That means you have to add 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 3. Right? In this horizontal direction you have to add, and this vertical column you have to subtract. That is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Let us find the difference and let us add first. Right? There is 2 by 3. First one, that is question number A. We are to solving question number A. Question number A is, first one is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. What we are getting, you see here, that is, what is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. 3. If we write 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 by 3. If we divide by 3, 3 3. 3 to just 6. That is equal to 2 by 1, or you can say it as 2. Right? That the value of 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is 2. Therefore, we write the value here as 2. Right? We are writing this value as 2. Therefore, the value is 2. Right? Now, in this direction, you have to add also 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. The LCM is 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Negative 3 by 3. 1 by 1. That is equal to 1 by 1, that you can write as 1. Therefore, the value of this is 1. Is 1. Right? In the vertical direction, you see this is the subtraction. That is, you have to subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Let us subtract. That is 2 by 3. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 3. You find LCM is 3, and that is 2 minus 1. 2 minus is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3. Therefore, this value is 1 by 3. Let us write the value as 1 by 3. Here the value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Let us find what is the value of 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. That is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3. What are you getting? LCM is 3. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So the value of here is 2 by 3. Let us write the value as 2 by 3. The value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Right? Now we got two answers. In this vertical column we have to subtract, that is 2 minus 1 is we are getting 1. And what is the subtraction of addition of this? In the horizontal direction, what you get? In the vertical direction, 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And what you are finding in the horizontal direction, that is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. We are doing 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Let us do this question, that is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. What are you getting? LCM is 3. LCM is 3. That is 1 plus 2. That is equal to 3 by 3. That is equal to 3 by 3. Change into lowest term. That is 1 by 1. 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. Right? The common value is this one. That is 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 we are getting 1. Right? This is the solution of question number A. Now we'll solve question number B in the same way. Right? Let us take question number B. Question number B is, now question number B, here you see, that is in horizontal direction it is plus and vertical direction it is minus. That means you have to add this one. That is B, question number B. Let us do question number B. This is question number B. What you are finding, that you have to horizontally you have to add, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. What you are getting? Find the LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Here we are finding the LCM, that is 2 and 3, that is it is dividing by 1, 2, 3. Therefore LCM is equal to 6. LCM is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Right? So LCM is 6. If we divide 6 by 2, we are getting 3, that is 1 into 3, 3 plus, if you divide 6 by 3, we are getting 2, that is 1 into 2 into 2. Therefore we are getting 3 1 is 3 plus 2 1 is 2 by 6. Therefore 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 6. Therefore here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 5 by 6. Therefore we are writing here as 1 by 5 by 6. Therefore the value is 5 by 6. Now we will add this value, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Right? Let us add. This is also question number B. Question number B. Add this value 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. What is the LCM? Find the LCM of 3 and 4. Let us find the value of LCM of 3 and 4. It is 3 and this is 4. It is divided by 1 only. 3, 4. Therefore LCM is equal to 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 is the LCM, right? Therefore the value is 12. You divide 12 by 3, that is 4, that is 1 into 4. 1 into 4 plus, if you divide 12 by 4, that is 3, 1 into 3 into 3. That you will get 4 1 is 4 plus 3 1 is 3 by 12. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 by 12. Therefore this value is 7 by 12. That is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 is 7 by 12. Is 7 by 12. This is 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Right? Add this one. And what is the addition of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? It was 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Right? Now we'll add. Now we'll subtract this one. Right? Subtracting this one, what you are getting, you see, that is 1 by vertically 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2. Let us subtract 1 by 2. This is 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3. And here also you see the LCM is, if you find the LCM of 2 and 3, what you are getting? LCM of 2 and 3, LCM of 2, LCM of 2 and 3, it will divide by 1, 2 and 3, 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 1 into 3, 1 into 3 plus, if you divide 6 by 3, that is 2, 1 into 2. This is not plus, but this is minus. This is minus. Let us rub this one. Right. Let us take the value. Right. This is 1 into 3. 3. I have to rub this one. Rub this one. Right. 1 by 3. What is the value we are getting? You see, this one is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Right. That is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 by 6. 3 minus 2 means 1, that is 1 by 6. The value is 1 by 6. Therefore, here if we subtract, we are getting 1 by 6. The value is 1 by 6. Let us write it here as 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. Right? Now we will subtract this one, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. What you are getting, you see, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 4. That means again we are getting LCM 3 4 is 12. 12. You divide by 3, it is 4. That is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. That is 1 by 12. It is 1 by 12. Therefore, its value is 1. The value is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Now we will add this one. We will add 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 in on the horizontal direction. What you are getting, you see. Right? 1 by 6. Here I am writing 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 6. Let us write 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12. What are you getting? LCM. Let us find the value of LCM. 6 and 12. Find the value of LCM. 6, 12, 12 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 6 is 12. Again by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. We multiply 2 3 is 6. 6 2 is 12. The LCM is 12. 12 divided by 6, it is 2. Divided by 12, it is 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 12. That is 3 by 12. Have we changed into lowest term? 3 1 is 3 and 3 4 is 12. That is 1 by 4. Right? If we add this one, it is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. Let us write the value. The value is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now, what we will get in this direction, say that 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12, what we are getting? Let's find. That is 5 by 6. Here I am writing 5 by 6. Here we are doing the problem 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. That is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Right? Here you see LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. Therefore, we are getting 12. 12. Dividing 12 by 6, that is 2. That 2, that is 5 to 10. Minus 10 minus, and 12 divided by 12 is 1. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, that is 3 by 12. That is equal to 3 by 12. If we change into lowest term, that is 3 1 is 3 and 3 4 is 12. We are getting 1 by 4. We are getting 1 by 4. Same value, right? That means if we add 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12, we are getting 1 by 4. And if we subtract 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12, we are getting 1 by 4. Right? Here you see If we add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, we are getting 5 by 6. If we add 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, we are getting 7 by 12. If we subtract 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, it is getting 1 by 6. If we subtract 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, we are getting 1 by 12. And if we add in this horizontal direction 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12, it is getting 1 by 4. And we subtract in the vertical direction 5 by 6 minus 1 by 12, we are getting the same result, that is 1 by 4. This is the solution of question number 5, exercise 7.6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.